This is the Nanlite PabuTube 2 6C. And we're going to talk about this in this video. Hey, what's up guys? This is Elton Jukino of Hobbies and Collection. And for today's video is Lighting 101. Previous video natin is diniscuss ko yung kung paano nyo isi-set up yung ating studio. So, diniscuss ko yung mga lights na gamit natin. At isa sa ginamit ko doon is this one. Ito is the Nanlite PabuTube. So, I've been using this for a couple of years now. I've been using this since from the beginning. So, isa ako sa mga unang nakakuha nitong lights na to. Way back, binili ko tong light na to around 5,600. This is a super handy na light. Ginagamit ko siya not only for video, ginamit ko na rin to sa photo as my lighting effect. Like this kind of shoot. So, kung makikita nyo dito is gamit ko yung ating PabuTube 2. Hindi lang pang video to. So, pwedeng gamitin kahit pang photo. So, pwedeng pang effect na light. Kagandahan nito is sobrang liit lang niya. And also, if you are doing some product review or product shoot, pwedeng nyo tong gamitin. Like, in my case, I'm occasionally shooting a weddings, events, or kung ano man. So, pag kumukuha ko ng mga macro shot or something sa mga video, ginagamit ko tong light na to. Let's talk about the features and the build quality of this and what are the pros and cons of this light. But first, let's talk about what's inside the box. Ang item na included sa box is the PabuTube 2 6C LED tube light, USB-C to USB-A cable, wrist strap, 3 pieces of metal mount plates, carry bag, and a warranty card. Next, let's talk about the technical specification. This light has a CRI average of 95 and PLCI average of 97. Color temperature Kelvin from 2700 Kelvin to 7500 Kelvin. And you can dim this light from 0 to 100%. Beam angle flood is 180 degree. Lumen output of 5600 Kelvin is equal to 520. Lumen output of 3200 Kelvin is 490. At ito naman yung lux or foot candle niya based from the Nanlite website. And here is the dimension coming from the Nanlite website. So let's talk about the build quality and battery of this light. This light has a lithium battery of 3.7 volts or 2200 mAh. Rated input is 5 volts. Yung battery nito, based on my experience, ginagamit ko siya, umaabot siya ng 1 hour or more than 1 hour. But on the website, rated siya up to 65 minutes na naka-on. But of course, depends sa paggamit nyo. Kung lagi siya naka-full power, I think hindi siya aabot ng 1 oras. But nung una ko siyang ginagamit, lumalag pa siya ng 1 hour. But since I've been using this for a couple of years now, hindi na siya umaabot sa ganon. Nag-ano na rin yung battery niya. So here, as you can see, meron tayong 5 button, which is the power button, plus and minus, then mode and switch. At meron siyang Type-C. So, ito, charging to for charging and for updating of firmware. Tapos, ito naman yung screen niya. So, to power it on, you need to long press. Okay. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo sa screen niya, naka-CCT siya, dim 100%. CCT is 5600 Kelvin. Tapos, gamma and magenta, 0. Sa upper corner, makikita nyo yung battery. So, as of now, 1 bar na lang siya at 0.3 hour na siya. So, sa dimming niya, meron siyang dimming from 100 to 0%. So, yun yung kagandahan nito kasi madidim mo siya ng 1%. Ayan, ito yung ilaw niya. So, makikita nyo, ganito siya. If you press the mode, yan. So, pupunta siya sa iba't ibang mode niya. So, HSI, effect, menu. Okay? And then, back to CCT. Switch naman kung magpapalit kayo. I-change nyo lang. Okay. So, ito siya. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, 1% lang yan. Ito yung 50%. 50% natin. Oh, 55. 55%. Yan. This is 100%. Yan. So, kung makikita nyo, maliwanag. Maliwanag siya, no? So, ginagamit ko siya as backlight. Ayan. So, kung napanood nyo yung video ko na Lighting 101, ginamit ko siya as backlight. So, kung makikita nyo, maliwanag siya. Ang kagandahan nito, meron siyang diffuser na. Plastic na diffuser. This is not some cheap material. Maganda yung ano niya, quality. Now, let's talk about the effects. So, punta tayo sa effect. First one is police car. So, ito yung police car. Yan. Tapos, next one, TV. So, ito yung TV. Next one, paparazzi. Ito naman yung paparazzi. Kunyari, may nagpipicture sa'yo. Tapos, next one is candle. Candle fire. So, ginagamit to para magkaroon ng effect na, kunyari, may candle. Tapos, next one is disco. So, ito naman yung disco. Tugs, tugs. Disco time! Okay? Next one is bad bulb. So, ito naman, sample bad bulb. Meron siyang, kunyari, nag-i-effect, gumaganong-ganon. So, yun yung bad bulb. Ayan o. Yan. Next one is fireworks. Yan. So, ito naman yung fireworks. Next one is explosion. Yon. Explosion. See? Yon. Tapos, next one is welding. So, kunyari may wini-welding ka. Galing ng effect, no? Next one is U-loop. Yan. Ano lang siya? Naglo-loop lang na iba-ibang ilaw. RGB. CCT loop. So, ito naman, from warm to cool. Cool to warm. Yan. Next is int loop. Yan. Ganyan lang siya. So, int loop is mas mabilis. Next is CCT flash. Next one is U flash. So, ito naman, blinking red. Orange red. Tapos, CCT pulse. Next is U pulse. Next is storm. Kunyari, may kidlat-kidlat. Yan yung effect na yan. Yan o. Tapos, next is police car. So, ito na yan. Yung ginagamit sa ano. Kunyari, merong manghuhuli sa'yo. Uy, ano yan? Bakit? Sino kaya yan? Ano kaya nangyari? May hinuli ba? Lang yan. Chismoso no? Pambira, chismoso. Marites. Marites mode. I mean, yun na yung pinakauna yung police car. So, in total of 15 effects na lights. Okay, on ko na yung ating ilaw ulit. So, ayan. Yan lahat ng effects. So, ito ang kagandahan dito is maliit siya, portable, tapos meron siyang 1/4 inch na thread dito sa magkabilang dulo. Pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa tripod kung gusto nyo or sa stand. By the way, this one is, kaya siya may kasama metal plate. Itong end-to-end niya, this is magnetic. So, pwede nyo siyang idikit sa metal. Hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo. So, this one is also controllable via app. So, download nyo lang yung non-light na app or you can buy the additional accessories para makontrol nyo to wirelessly. Verdict nitong product na to, I've been loving this product since from the start na nakuha ko siya kasi gamit na gamit ko to. I know most of us are doing something na like in the films. Sobrang laking tulong nito sa akin. Kung makikita nyo naman, buhay pa siya. So, I bought this one around 2019 pa yata. Ayan, buhay pa rin. Matibay siya. Although yung battery niya is hindi na ganun ka lakas. I mean, hindi na siya tumatagal ng grabe. Unlike before na tumatagal siya ng more than 1 hour. Well, given naman yon kasi ang tagal na nitong light na to. At kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung Lighting 101 na video ko, so kung paano ko sinet up yung studio natin, ito, yung mga effect na to, at kung saan ko to ginamit. Of course, na-mention ko kanina sa likod natin. Isang malaking tulong yun kagaya ko na content creator sa paggawa ng studio setup and lighting effects para medyo maging moody or dramatic or cinematic yung looks natin. So, ayan guys. I hope you find this video entertaining and helpful. If you do, press a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Again, this is Elton Jukino of Hobbies and Collection. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Peace!